Hi, this is the business YouTube video. And I'll teach you a bit more accounting section, number 3, on how to count the most basic accounting numbers, like properly and more realistically. But yeah, last time the my other older accounting YouTube videos may be too long by accident, but I promise you this will be shorter. Uh, this is how to count the interest fee properly. First of all, this is all negative because each time you paying the interest fee per month, it will be negative your money. So total payment is negative that you have to pay because payment is always negative. Then interest rate, which is 6%. So 6 divided by 10, I mean 6 divided by 100 equals to 0.06, means this one should be 600ths. So THS in the end. And the 10th digit, it should be 60%. And 100th, it should be 6%. Yeah, and the first it should be 100%, or something like that. Um, because one means 100%. Yeah, so total payments should be negative. So it's supposed to be negative $5,000. Payments per month is 1 month out of 12 months per year. So within 1 year, you must pay, no, it's not 1 month, it's not 1 year to finish paying $5,000 because of the 6%. So within the 1 year, you pay 6% times 12 of them. So it should be 6%. So it should be finished paying around within 1 year. It should finish paying around 72%. Okay. So wait. So 72%, I think, within 1 year. So 25 times 12 should equals to um yeah um um 12 times 25, so you're paying that much per year instead, so equals to 200 $275 should be 60%, $275 within $5,000. 6%. I didn't calculate right off the bat. Sorry. Oh wait. Okay, I get it now. It's it was okay again now. It should be lesser than 72% of $5,000 you have to pay it back because it's not like $1,000 around you have to pay it back. It's just like yeah, I forget it now. Is you pay for 6% in then 12 times per year is still um not there yet. It's just 6% lesser and 12 months even lesser per year. Yeah, that's what I get now. Yeah. So you're just paying like very little interest fee per month only of $5,000. It's one of those concepts like usually like like the wheelhouse costs $1 million or maybe half $1 million or maybe a bit lesser in some places. Well, north of Canada usually is around $200,000. Yeah, really north of Canada. It's maybe around $200,000 for some convenience places. So usually like $200,000 times a lot of tens within your own earning. So usually people rich class or middle rich class usually they earn quite more than 2 to 3 times or maybe several times earning the minimum wage. Just depends your family sizes per household. But $200,000 usually in north of Canada is considered as rich class if you manage to time tens or many times on each tens of like means $200,000 at the end of earning per hour per weekdays means 5 weekdays per week and take a break at weekends. So maybe at least work 40-ish hours per week and then times it by your week, times it by 3 or 4 week per month. It should be usually 3 weeks per month. And then, yeah, usually a minimum, and after times it weeks, yeah, yeah, times it by weeks equal to a month. If we 3 times, 3 weeks time 40 hours of payment, and times it by 12 months equal to the annual fee, annual payment that you earned. Um, yeah, but this interest rate is not what you earn usually because interest rate usually paying the student loan or something. It's negative usually money of your paying back your money. So usually minimum wage you earn in Ontario is around a bit over than $15,000. But for middle rich class like me and my family is usually earning 2 or 4 times more than minimum wage or 6 times than minimum wage for middle rich class. So it's considered us pretty much, but more than minimum wage. But it's hard to keep up the house when it costs millions of dollars. Only when you already purchased the house. So yeah, I'm just paying financial stuff. About I'm talking about off bit off topic, but it's really important how financial background first. And this is how to count paying part without any interest fee. And how to count paying part without any interest fee. means without interest fee, is total paying cost is negative. Paying or payment is always negative. And how many parts you willing to pay it back by separating the paying part, just simply divide by something, then equals to negative of payments on each time. So it's negative $50 divided by positive 2 and equal to negative $25. And then times it get another time, you just pay another $25. It's as simple as that. You don't have to show every steps, I guess. Um, yeah, just step one, step two are the same, I guess. Actually, no, the remainder of for step two, just $25. You just count the remainders instead, and like remainder divided by one equals to $25. Yeah, remainder of 25 divided by one or times it by one, whatever, is still 25. Just pay them the last steps. Uh, just the remainder. By the second step. Uh, yeah. Yeah, usually it's divide. Yeah, you have to divide, don't really time it. But it's still the same if the last remainder, the last step, you just pay the remainder only. Uh, what does the minus and the adding symbol really does? Well, this is more like an imaginary number. It's not really what I'm usually telling about finance. It's kind of like calculus, but it's about chances as well. What the minus or the adding symbol really does usually would affect the more real life working numbers instead. Like, for example, I collect a rock yesterday, I collect another rock tomorrow, then it's got two rocks for me in my house. For example, I have just earned it the $10 at today. So $100 plus $10 equals to $110 actual today if I in total. Yeah, it should be earn 10 more dollars today, not really earned it $10 most because I already because if I earn 10 more dollar today, then it means I because I collected $100 from before, it means $110 today. Oh, this is just basic grammar. That mistake by accident. Oh, it's okay. So to earn 10 more dollars. Um, it's a more stuff instead of earned it the $10 today. This more accurate grammar a bit. I just remember that since I was kindergarten math or something, that some question error, they say it was more or was now instead it's different. Well, I just remember that since I was kindergarten math questions. What the ratio division really does. The ratio usually could affect the rise over run numbers at the same time in the x and the y-axis graph for your own more realistic real life economic changes, such as, for example, I usually will earn lesser money selling my own noodles than selling from my own rice. So I usually earn lesser money in noodles than selling my own rice. For example, the comparison of ratio division is just a comparison. It's just imaginary number. It's not really true number, like such as rise over run or actual division. I mean, like one paying 1 month per year or something within 12 months. It's not really. Well, this is the imaginary number. What division and ratio really looks like when it does it. So I usually earn $1,000 on rice sold. Did and I usually earn lesser money than rice. By comparison, is around $900 noodles got sold instead of $1,000 rice sold. So it means that it proves that the rice sold more and I earn more than noodles. The comparison just like trying to find the real answer on which one you earn more at least. So what's the ratio? This time I should use calculator on my cell phone because I'm tired of not knowing answering in real life. Exactly answer. So should be. So I usually earn the rice a bit more is 111% around. Yeah. Uh, then the noodles. Actually, no, it's not 111%. It's earning 11% more, actually. Sorry. That's a bit confused. I'm not used to data management, those weird imaginary numbers a little bit. Uh, yeah, so earn 11%. So the rice earns more, 11% more than noodles. Not, yeah, I guess that's right. No, it's actually 111%. Wait, is it? So I'm not trying to attract you in YouTube video, but too much, but I'm just a bit confused. Actually, I don't know. 100% is the whole number, so it's a bit confusing for me now. But I think it's hard to double check that detail on Google search even. Oh well, at least I'm thinking. And this is my credit accounting principles, part one, by my borrowing the textbook from my friend just to pre-study my own accounting college degree before maybe transferring to a harder university degree. That's a bit more more richer job, accounting job, I guess. Because I wish that I can maybe rent a $2,000 per month the apartment legally. A bit over 2,000. That's the real price of the real rental. That yeah, surviving in Canada is expensive and stuff like those. Yeah, that's what I figure out just now. It's not $1,000 per Canadian dollar per month in a department. It's a bit over $2,000 per month to rent only in the department near like my workplace in the future if I can get the job in the future or graduated in the end. Yeah, that's why I need to go to a more famous accounting school to earn more money instead, not just get the basic CPA certificate or something. Like I'm trying to earn like a more harder accounting assets or something to earn more money. But yeah, just to earn more money, just in case I can't even live a bit more than $2,000 legally renting the department um just for my house. Yeah, in the future. But yeah, planning in the future is really important because I know that how much stuff costs in Canada at least. Yeah, hopefully you can do it too in the future. Yeah, thank you there, and this is my business live YouTube channel. Thank you, bye.